I'm not gonna leave it to cook for long, guys. I'm gonna leave it to cook for at least 10 minutes, because you know shrimp doesn't need a lot of cooking, otherwise it's gonna get tough. So I'm just gonna cook it for 10 minutes, okay? And I'm gonna leave my pot uncovered. Hi guys, so this is Jody cooking, and today guys I'm gonna make you guys some jerk stuffed prawns fried dumpling. Yes, that's the prawn there that I'll be using. Those are the small one. These are all my seasoning, my herbs. You got black pepper, you got garlic powder, you got jerk seasoning, you got paprika, you have all-purpose seasoning, you have garlic, you have scallion, you have onions, and you also have sweet pepper. And I'm gonna use this for my fried dumpling, and I'm also gonna use jerk seasoning to marinate my meat. This is the bottle one. So first thing I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna make my dough for my fried dumpling. So I use 1 spoon of salt. I'm also gonna add some water to it, cold water. I'm not gonna throw everything, I'm just gonna take my time. I'll just take my hands and just knead my flour. So my dough, guys, is all finished. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna leave it aside to rise for at least 10 minutes. And for the meantime, guys, I'm just gonna season my prawns. That's 1 spoon of the all-purpose seasoning, 1 spoonful of the jerk seasoning, half a teaspoon of the black pepper, and half a teaspoon of the garlic powder. And half a teaspoonful of the paprika. And this is my jerk seasoning in the bottle. I'm not gonna use a lot. I'm just gonna use at least 1 spoonful. I'm gonna add some soy sauce in there, guys, just for colored. You can add browning if you want, whatever you have. And I'm just gonna stir it. And I'm gonna add some of my herbs to it. So that's the onions there, scallions, garlic. I'm just gonna leave the rest at the side. So it's all finished now, guys. So I'm just gonna leave it aside to marinate for at least half an hour. But you guys can leave it overnight. It all depends. Hi guys, so what I did, I add 2 spoonfuls of oil to my pot, and I also add all my herbs. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add all my prawns. I'm not gonna leave it to cook for long, guys. I'm gonna leave it to cook for at least 10 minutes. Because you know shrimp doesn't need a lot of cooking, otherwise it's gonna get tough. So I'm just gonna cook it for 10 minutes, okay? And I'm gonna leave my pot uncovered. So my shrimp is all finished, guys, and this is how it looks. As you can see, it doesn't have a lot of gravy because it's gonna be stuffed in the dumpling, so it doesn't need a lot of gravy, but this is how it looks. Alright guys, so make sure your dumpling is flat, is pressed out. This is how it should look. Alright guys, so what I did, I just added like 1 spoonful of my shrimp to my dumpling. So I'm just gonna add a next spoonful, not a lot. Then you just close it up. And this is how you should close it up, guys. Make sure it all seal tight, guys, so the shrimp doesn't fall out. That's how it should look. Alright guys, so my pot is hot, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add my vegetable oil. Make sure you put enough in there so your dumpling can cover with the oil. Alright guys, so my oil is hot, so I'm just gonna take my time and add my dumplings. So this is how it looks so far, guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna allow it to cook on 5 minutes on each side. Alright guys, so you can always keep turning your dumpling like every 2 minutes also, so it doesn't burn. I'm trying to flip it over. Oh wow. So this is how my dumpling look, guys. Look at that color, looking so nice, so delicious. I hope you guys do try this recipe and know you're gonna enjoy it. Hi guys, so my dumpling is all finished, so I'm just gonna remove them. Hi guys, so my stuffed jerk shrimp fried dumpling is all finished, and this is how it looks on the plate. I just take my knife and I just slice it, so as you can see the prawns is there. Look guys, it's looking so nice and so delicious. I hope you guys enjoy this video and I hope you guys try it also. If you do like this video, please like and subscribe and comment for many other videos. and don't forget to hit that notification button so you can receive many more videos of me. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.